In today's video from Casio Help, we're looking at paper saving on the PCR-T273 cash register. We get a lot of questions on this machine because it's basically automatically defaulted to print a receipt with every transaction. So every sale you do, you get a receipt print out the front of the machine. Unfortunately, there's no way of actually deactivating the printer or entirely turning it off. The only paper saving option you've got is to put the machine into journal mode, which basically means although you get a printout, the printout is much more condensed and it doesn't come out the front of the machine, it goes onto a spool at the back of the machine. So if you want to do this, there's a couple of steps. First of all, you need to turn the key around to PGM and then 1 subtotal 0 CH. If we feed the paper through a bit, you can see on the paper that's fed through, the printer is now set to journal. So the second thing to do is to attach your till roll to the spool at the back of the machine. So lift up the printer cover, and then you basically need a lot of paper, or a fair chunk of paper to come through. So I lift up the platen arm, feed a bit of paper through, make sure when you close the platen arm the paper's set correctly. Then you want to take like a thick edge, make a thick edge of the paper here, and you're basically trying to feed it onto under the 2 slots on the central spindle of the take-up spool. So if we feed that through there like that, and then as you drop the spool back into place, you want to wind the paper around as tightly as you can, and then drop the spool back into place. Now when you turn the key back around to reg, I'll just show you what happens before I replace the printer cover. When you put your sale through, the printer still works and you still get a printout, but it's much more condensed because it's not producing a receipt header, it's purely producing the figures for the sale. So the only downside of this is you cannot get a receipt. So if you need receipts, unfortunately you have to use the machine in receipt mode, but if you don't, this is the best method for paper saving. For more information on using Casio cash registers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.